I'm starting out this video. I just want to show you this hairline. This is a great hairline, and this is a more budget-friendly wig. This is a really volume pixie. So any of my pixie girls that love volume, this is a great one. This is Advanced French from Raquel Welch in RL 5660, silver. And look at this. I just want to flip around because I love the back hairline on this. I just love the way it snugs the neck really good. So see that? Isn't that really a great hairline in the back? And I just have to show you the front, because although this wig is a open wefted wig and so budget friendly, and this is one that right now on the website, it's almost 100, around just under 150, but that's right now. That's right now. So you'll have to check the link below when I tag it, so that you can always go and check it out and see what it is at the time of watching the video. Because you could be watching this a year from now, and I don't know what price it'll be then, but right now it's a really good price and good budget. The fibers, it's Raquel Welch, so this is their heat-friendly fiber. So if you don't like it straighter like this, or you want it really straight, or you want to put some tighter curls in it, or you just want to redirect it, this is the girl. Okay, so again, I'm showing you this because it does have this lace front hairline. It's a real narrow hairline, which gives you the ability to flip it whichever way you want, and it gives you that ability to just wear it off the face. So very narrow hairline. The rest is open wefted velvet ear tabs. It has the velvet ear tabs and a narrow, it has also the velvet nape in the back with narrow adjusters. That's what I was trying to get at, narrow adjusters. So it's really cute. So see how you can just really pump it up. But for those of you that want a sleeker, more, to me, this would be my dramatic going out for dinner. I just want to look elegant, dress it up. Then I'm going to try to do something like that, wear it back, and just have this really glamorous look to it, right? But for a lot of times, just for your daytime look, where you're going to want to get your fingers in there and just see how easy with just fingering the fibers on this, that you can just get away. What I like too about this, he has got this really cute downward piece swooping like that. You can also bring it forward, this forward as well, and get a little kind of curl in there. But I love that this like that whole little swoop that goes down, and then you can bring it down. This does have permatease in it, so this is for you that want to get in here and get some volume, but you don't want to be teasing your hair and trying to tease a wig and trying to get the volume in there. That's what permatease is for. So sometimes permatease is our friend, and when it's more open wefting, you need that permatease kind of hide those wefts. So in case the wind blows it up, the permatease really helps to disguise that and to get our permanent volume in there and style, so that it just comes back time after time. You wash it, you dry it, let it air dry, and you're going to get this every single time. So I love a wig like this for, I would say it's kind of like a workhorse. Very little care for it, very little to have to do. Pop in on and go. It's like a beauty shop in a box, right? Salon quality, a beauty shop in a box. So instead of how we used to have to go to the beauty shop and have them cut our hair, put it in rollers and sit under the dryer and do all of that, and then have the stylist, we called them beauticians back then, have them, just tease it in and all that work. And, I know like my mother-in-law used to always go like every Friday afternoon. It was her day out to get her hair set. So this is it. Hair set, out of the box, shake it out, put it on, comb it, put your fingers through it, and there you go. And it takes seconds. It just takes seconds. And none of all that other work, not your arms get tired. The older you get, I'm 68, but the older you get, when you're working with your hair and trying to blow dry it and curl it and get it all just right, I don't know, but it just really, I can get a little dizzy sometimes, and it just sometimes, you know, if you have that frozen shoulders that you can get. So ladies, this is great. If that's you, if that's your grandmother, if that's your mom that's going through that, help her make that decision that maybe it's just time to get a wig, and maybe it's time to put that beauty shop to rest, and she can just put this on and go. It's going to be so easy to get ready to go to church or the grocery store, the doctor's appointment, wherever you're going. This is a great little style. Wigs are fabulous. And oh, they're also fashion. So as you know, get your hands in there and pump it up, spray some water on it, redirect it, and you're going to be able to go with a very, very high fashion Parisian style as well. So see that? It's just as easy as that. That's just, I love wigs and they're so fashionable. This is a great, again, if you're looking for that really fun volume pixie with miles of style, this is a great pixie. And I know some of you are afraid of volume. Maybe this one isn't for you, but for my high volume girls, this is the one. She is cute. Check it out. I'll leave a link below. What I'm starting to do in all my videos is I'm going to link, because I get asked all the time, what is the makeup you're wearing? What eyebrow, what pencil, what foundation, what powder, all that. So I'm going to start linking when I do these videos, try to remember, because I won't remember in 2 weeks what makeup I was wearing today for this video. So I want to start trying to add that in. Whoops. I want to start trying to add that in so that I'll link below and tag it so you'll know the makeup I'm wearing. And also, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. It helps those algorithms push this out there. So thank you, my friends, for helping me out by doing that. I'll see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye-bye.